Okay, so let's see, what is Advent of Code day 18? Okay, you discover a tablet containing some strange assembly code labeled Simply Do It. Mm-hmm. Great. Mm-hmm. So we have assembly code that does stuff on registers. Sound plays a sound, sets a register, add increases, mod multiplies, mod sets register, recovers frequency. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Uh-huh. What's receive? Recovers frequency, okay. Wow. Okay. So what is the value of the recovered frequency? The value of the most recently played sound the first time a receive instruction is executed with a non-zero value. Whoa. Okay, I'm not gonna do this one in Haskell because why not? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. How many registers are there? Maybe. Yeah. Let's do this one in CD documents random coding, Advent of Code. Why? What is with my computer today? Okay. Oh, and we also have 17 from yesterday. 15 HS. Add 17 HS. Got to commit. Push origin master. Wow. Why is my computer lagging right now? So should I do this in Python or in JavaScript? It's a pretty simple one. let's see. Ow. Let's do it in JavaScript, just because we can. Touch 18.js. So we need const registers equals new hash. How do we make a hash map again? JavaScript hash map. It's a map. New map from new map where we go from ABCD alphabet. Oh my god, just give me the alphabet. There we go. English alphabet. Okay, I need to be able to copy paste. Excellent. Dot split. Dot map. Letter, and we return letter and 0. Okay, now if we say console log registers, oh my god. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, it's being very annoying right now. Okay, let's see what happens when we run that. Excellent. And our input is take our input and put it in here. Now for *1, oh, so we have that. Then we say registers dot add, is it? Is it set? Okay. Yes. We set the play buffer. So okay. Sound is null. And we go through our inputs, so okay, so function *1. Why is this lagging so much today? It's very annoying. So for *1 we go through the input, which we split by a new line. For for command in Or should we do a map? A reduce maybe? No, let's just do a for. For let command in input split by \n. Let's console log the command to see if it worked. *1. Dot values. So annoying. Fine, we'll just do it with a reduce. So we return that. Actually, we want, yeah. So function registers. Init registers, come on, init registers. And we say const register, or let's say let registers equals init registers. Why is this not working well? Okay, so let registers is init registers, and we reduce. Actually, no, we don't even need the sound register. Let's leave it there for now. So reduce, and we get a command. And we do stuff, and we start with a null sound register. Find sound value at first receive, at first non-zero receive. And our reducer is going to execute command. Execute, and it is going to take the registers and the command. Okay, so now we need an executor. So function execute takes registers and the command, and it's going to just directly change the registers. So the command is, we say, we take the command reg val1 and val2. That is command split by space, and also trim. Oh, and we gotta make sure there aren't any empty commands, or let's just do it this way. Split dot filter command where command dot length is bigger than 0. but generally your backend technology depends on scale. So I think Node is, honestly, I would say Node is a terrible choice for a social network because you need a lot of, Node is great for small scripts that have to process a lot of things, but I've found it to generally suck for having to do complex backends that are more relational in nature and deal with databases and stuff. So, okay, so now to execute it, we say, do I want a switch statement? Yeah, switch com, and we say, actually, let's do it this way. And we just execute it. So we say com with val1, val2, or, so val1 and val2 we want to, well, actually, let's see. So if we have sound, yeah, so sound is going to take val1, how can I make this general so it's not too complicated? Get val, okay. So we say sound val1 is registers set sound for get val of, well, val1, and we're going to have function get val, which takes a value and says if val, how do I check if val is a number? JavaScript check value is string. Type of string. Okay. If type of val equals string, then we return registers get val, else we return val. Perfect. This is driving me crazy. Okay. So that's the sound command. And we have the add command. So we take val1, val2, or let's say A and B, and we say registers set A to get val A plus get val B. Why is this? No, it's not expected, I promise. Const of commands equals that. Now we just say commands com blah blah blah. Okay, add multiply A and B registers. Oh, we also have set A and B says register set A to get val of B, multiply is registers dot set A get val of A times get val of B, multiply mod AB registers dot set A get val A mod get val B, receive of A. Let's say this is A. So receive of A sets register A to register to get val of sound. And then jigs that's gonna be hard. How do I make jumps? Jumps are gonna be difficult. Let's say registers dot set current registers set sound, and then registers set current row, current command, current instruction, pointer, and it starts at 0. Okay, so this is going to jumps with an offset of the value of y, but only if the value x is greater than 0. An offset of 2 skips the next instruction, an offset of -1 jumps to the previous instruction, and so on. Okay, so pointer becomes get val of so we take A and B, and then if A is bigger than 0, then Okay, so a is more than 0, then register set pointer with get val of pointer plus get val of b. Oh, otherwise null. Okay. So now we say while registers.get of pointer is greater than 0 and registers.get of pointer is smaller than input dot no const program equals input split blah blah blah. Program dot length. Okay, so we say right. Okay, so we say execute then registers. So we say registers equals execute of registers and and program of registers get pointer. What is it complaining about? Why is it expecting? Oh, okay. So while blah blah blah. Now if registers.get sound is not null, then we abort. So we console log registers get of sound and we return. Okay, so I'm gonna try to execute this and we'll see if we get the right value. Node 18.js registers.get is undefined. Return registers. Excellent. Nothing. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, if com is not a jump, then we say registers.set pointer is get val of pointer plus 1. Yes. Why is this not doing anything? Console log Hello. Let's see if it's even executing. Nope. Oh, there. Because it doesn't actually execute. Okay. So it needs to be bigger than only. Let's see. Console log registers.get of pointer. It gets to 3 and then it gets stuck. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have a problem with our jumps. Wait, P is supposed to be 0 there. If com is not jump and get val of val1 is not 0 or is greater than 0. Okay, now let's see. Why does it get stuck on 0 now? Okay, now. Else console log com val1 val2 get val of val1 and get val of val2. Let's see. Oh, because it's none. Why is it none? Because we do a we do a multiply. Okay, let's do this. So console log of command and get val of p, because I want to see what's going on. Clear. Come on. This thing is too fast. Oh my god, why? So 1, 2, 3. Why is, oh my goodness. Come on. Show me what's going on. And how hard is it to build a simple assembler executor? But jumps are really annoying. But I don't know how we get the... and it's so annoying because my computer keeps lagging. Actually, let's do it this way. And I is less than 5. We say I, let I equal 0, I plus plus. Huh. Why does it become none? Because 0 times 5... Wait, what's the command here? Multiply p by 17. So 0 times 17 should be 0, not none. Sets register. So multiply sets register x, the result of multiplying the value contained in register x by the value of y. And here we have, oh, because all values are strings. If, let's do it like this, if registers.has val, then we return that value, otherwise we return a number of that value. Now it's going to work. Yep, that's where it went wrong. Okay, so this should work now. Perfect. I is not defined. Let's see. Console log registers dot get pointer to make sure that stuff is actually happening. Oh, it still gets stuck at 3. So if com is not jags, so jump, and get value is What did I do? I want this like that. Okay. So it doesn't do a jump, which is good. Didn't jump. Else also log jumped. Oh, come on, where is the line 77? Okay, so that thinks it jumped. So if and get val of val1 is 0 or is bigger than 0. No. Like that. Okay. Cool. Now it gets stuck at 6. Why does it get stuck at 6? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this needs to be bigger than 0. No, so jumps only happen. Actually, let's just do it this way. Let jump equal false. And we're going to say jump equals true. And like that. So if it didn't jump, then we say this. Jumped it. Jumped. Perfect. Okay, now we remove all these console logs and let's see if we get any result. Right. What is the value of the recovered frequency? Value of the first time receiving with a non if is not null and registers.get of sound is not 0. Let's do it this way. So why does it keep telling me that it's 0? Okay, so we still have a bug somewhere. Okay, so we should see this now. Let's try it with this input. Okay, the test input should give me 4. And it does give me 4, okay. So it works on the test input, doesn't work on this input. That's a problem. A very annoying one, actually. Also, where did my music go? Okay. So do we have sound? BABA. I set A to 1. What happens if we output the registers every time? So console.log registers. Let's see. Okay, no. Okay, that's a good point. This needs to be get value. Interesting. So I think this is where the bug was. So let's try to return here. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's not the right answer. My answer is too high. Let's try it again on this input, but we already know it works on the test input. Yeah, still works on the test input, still doesn't work on the real input. Let's try console logging the registers. But how do I console log only the registers that are above 0? So let's do this. Console log command and console log Is there a filter for a map? No, come on. Oh, entries. Let's see what happens if we console log registers.entries. Perfect. We say filter. And we're going to filter them by key and value. If value is bigger than 0 or just different than 0. Now let's see. How is seriously it returns an iterator? How the fuck? It's so annoying. Who the hell came up with iterators in JavaScript? And why don't they work like filter? Why do they have filter? Okay. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, so we set I to 31, that works. Then we set A to 1, that also works. Then we multiply P with 17, and because P is 0, P okay. So set A to 1, that works. We multiply P with 17, and because P is 0, so when you multiply with 17, it stays 0 and doesn't show up in our values. Save it for an hour. Okay. Then we add -1 to I. It goes from 31 to 30. That works. Then we jump the point, jump from I. So we jump, and because I is bigger than 0, we jump by -2. So pointer goes from 6 to 4. Then we once more multiply A with 2. And A becomes 4. That is correct. Then we jump again by -2, and A becomes 8. Okay, so we're basically multiplying A by 2 30 times, and eventually I becomes 0 around here. Where does I become 0? Okay, so I becomes 0, and we no longer jump. A by now has become really large. So then we reduce A by 1. Oh wait, is that the top? Huh, that's awesome. Yep. Neat. Okay, so we got the largest number, that is, so we got 2 to the power of 31. Perfect. Then we set I to 127. That works. Then we 127. We set P to 464. That also was correct. Then we multiply P with 8505 and it becomes really large. Then we do a modulus of P and A. And doesn't seem like much has happened. So I think modulus is not working. Let's see. Sets register X to the remainder of dividing the value contained in register X by the value of Y. X mod Y. So X mod Y. Let's see. So we should have P modulo, or rather P modulo 3946320. Okay, so it's the same number. That worked. Then we multiply P with a lot and it becomes a large number. That still works. Then we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That seems to work. Then we mod P and A. And that worked. And we set B to the value of P. That also was correct. And we mod B by 10,000. That seems to have worked. Right? Yeah. 8039. And then we sound B, which is 8039. Oh, that's what was wrong. We're not returning our value as soon as sound is greater than 0. It's when receive happens, which is here. So let's do it this way. Let's just console log over here. Console log get val sound, and we say sound. What is the value of the recovered frequency? The value of the most recently played sound the first time a receive instruction is executed with a non-zero value. So it looks like the program ends up cycling. So let's just do it this way. Okay. Sound becomes 1187. Yes, okay, that worked. Git commit -a -m, day 18 *1. Git add 18.js. Let's do it this way actually. Break equals kill equals false, and here we're going to say kill equals true. We're going to console log, and then we're going to say kill equals to true, and we're going to do the registers. And here where we return registers, we're going to return kill and registers. So here we do kill and registers equals that, and we say if kill, then we return, and we say kill equals false, or yeah, like that. So this and not kill. Let's see if that works better. Perfect. Okay. Now. Okay, I need more water. Be right back. Come on, scroll. Be smooth. Okay, as you congratulate yourself for a job well done, you notice that the documentation has been on the back of the tablet this entire time, obviously. While you actually got most of the instructions correct, there are a few key differences. This assembly code isn't about sound at all. It's meant to be run twice at the same time. Okay. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a much harder problem now. So now I have to build a messaging queue between the two executioners. So this is done okay to be mm, 18. So the problem now is with weighting. Unless we make them into generators, so that they, instead of returning kill in registers, they yield. Hmm. I'm not sure I have the energy for this right now. Oh. Actually, yeah. I think I'm gonna stop this right now, and I'm gonna go. I have a couple of blog posts to write, and I might go finish this tomorrow morning. If I do finish it tomorrow morning, I'll be live coding it. Otherwise, it's just gonna have to stay here because I don't have the energy right now to figure out how to do this. I'm sure there's a trick to it, but I need some time to think about it passively. So thanks for watching, everyone who showed up, and I'll see you next time, probably tomorrow.